Hey everybody. First, I would like to express the sincere wish from all of your friends at Swick that you and your friends and family are thriving and doing the best you can to cope during this COVID-19 pandemic. You know, one of the things that I've noticed, and perhaps you have too, during this time of virtual communication and social distancing, is that the distance and the difference between our friends and family living across the street and those living across the world has essentially disappeared. And it's really in that spirit that I would like to relate a couple of conversations that I've been having with Father Faiz and our friend Sinan at St. George's Church in Baghdad. Now, I'm glad to report that both Sinan and Faiz's families are doing okay. But they have told me that some of the families at St. George's, some of the most vulnerable, including the elderly, are really living at this point in dire circumstances. We have to know that these are mostly daily wage earners and that for the past month, no one has been able to work in Baghdad. We have to also understand that Iraq is basically a country without a government. There is no functioning healthcare system and certainly no social safety net as we know it of any kind. So, Swick being what it is and our people being who they are, I have said that we want to help any way that we can. I've committed Swick to raising $3,600 in the next couple of weeks, and it will do the following. For $60, we can put together a packet of foodstuffs and life necessities that can help up to 60 families that are living in situations that are not sustainable. At least see them through the worst of this crisis. All of the information you need to know in terms of what your money buys and where it goes and how we're delivering it, it will be found on our website. I would just ask that two things, that you pray unceasingly for the people of Baghdad and all the people of Iraq who, just like in every other country, are struggling mightily during this time. I also ask that you, as you care for those close to you, also dig into your resources a little bit and think about what we can do for those who are far away. And lastly, I'm just going to leave you with something I say to myself every day during this time of crisis. Wherever there is darkness, be the light. God bless, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.